How to label Caprisun Juice pouches. First, I printed my design on glossy vinyl sticker paper I purchased off Amazon. After you've cut out your label, use a hole punch on the red dot of the label. This is for the straw hole. Remove the straw from your juice pouch, which I just taped to the back. Next, remove the paper back off of your label and line up the hole with the straw hole. Damn, that's sticky. Line up the hole with the straw hole. Now carefully put on your label. I am constantly stretching out the juice pouch to try and straighten it as I put on the label. Okay, good, enough. Looks pretty good. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna redo this because we should try and aim for perfection. So that is really not good enough.
Oh my god, these things are so wrong.
Okay, let's try this again. I have another one, obviously. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna go down the middle. Oh! Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, just try your best. You will only get better as you keep doing this.